3.
Hi everybody, Dr. Bryton here for Two Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about acidity, specifically acidity as it pertains to the beverages you drink. We got one of the hottest weeks of the year coming up, and a lot of people are going to be trying to stay a little more hydrated and get more fluids into them, so let's get right to it. So I got a graphic here. This graphic is essentially a couple of things that we drink on an acidity scale. So over here is our alkalinity. We don't have anything with regards to that. We're going to be focused primarily on our acidity. So a 1 down here, that's typically like a battery acid. That's what a lot of people recognize as battery acid. And then from here we have our 7. 7 is tap water. Most tap waters are 7. They're neutral. It's a good range to be in. Down here though, I want to start because I want to mention to you, this is a 1 over here. Look how far away soda pop is. A lot of people consume a lot of pop. Pop in general will range about 2.5 on the pH scale. That's pretty acidic. It's just very acidic actually. And so consider when you are consuming pop what you are doing to your teeth. From there, I want you to jump to the flavored water area. The reason I bring that up is a lot of people like to drink water, stay hydrated. Water's great for you, but they'll add some sort of flavor to it, or they'll buy a flavored water, and they can be quite acidic. Which is a little bit of a shocker for most, but that can really harm your teeth. If you're drinking that all day long, like it's your typical water, it's a lot of acidity exposure to your teeth. And then from there, I want to jump to the apple orange juices. This is about like a 3.3 to 4.2 range, and just beyond that is where coffee is at. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, I am a coffee drinker. You're not going to take my coffee from me. Thank you very much. But I do put a creamer in there, sugar-free creamer. I just use actually heavy whipping cream, so there's no sugar in it, but it helps to neutralize it, get rid of some of that acidity. Because just past that coffee, okay, coffee again, 4.3, 4.5, depending on what type of coffee you get, is where you get enamel degradation. So anything this way on this graph, more acidic than enamel than that 5.5, which is enamel degradation, that's where you can see increased risk for cavities. And so I want to explain and show that to you. You'll see milk is on the other side of that, and obviously water. So consider the pHs. In addition to that, consider the sugar exposure. You add sugar to this sort of stuff down here, you are putting yourself in a really dangerous area for cavities. So be considering of what you're going to be consuming, how it might affect your teeth, and then from there, consider the time too. If you're going to have a pop down here, fine, keep it short, keep it sweet, 10, 15 minutes, don't sip it all day long. And then from there, clean things up. Get some fluoride in there to help re-strengthen your enamel after it's been eroded a little bit, but that erosion will happen. So hopefully that's a little helpful for people, a little bit of a graphic there so you can see things, but just wanted to talk on acidity. If you have any questions, as always, get a hold of us. If you like this, please like it, share it, hopefully it can help some people, but I hope you have a great rest of your week. Thanks so much for tuning in for Two Tip Tuesday.